are going to flick back to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis starts with a thing called chlorophyll, which makes the leaves green, right? So chlorophyll is the main ingredient for the green leaves. You know, I'm driving around here I'm from Sydney, you see, so we haven't really got autumn going yet, but you guys have got it well underway. There's lots of red trees. Those leaves are red because they've lost their chlorophyll, they've stopped doing photosynthesis, and they've dumped all that nutrition back down into the ground. So they've taken it from their leaves and dumped it. So what you find in photosynthesis is that there's two main molecules, and that's nitrogen. For photosynthesis is nitrogen and magnesium, and that's the molecules that form chlorophyll. So without chlorophyll, they're the little solar panels, if you want to call it that. That chlorophyll then creates a reaction to absorb the sunlight and create the glucose. The glucose then actually helps it move down into the root system. So with all plants, somewhere around 50 to 60% of the glucose, or that sugars that it produces during the day in sunlight, every afternoon, about an hour or two before nightfall, it knows when nightfall's coming. It pushes 60% of that glucose down into the root system, which is a pretty important thing for it to do. About somewhere around 30 to 50% of that is actually not just to store in the roots. It's a thing called exudation. I call it root dandruff. It looks like that. It's basically, it sheds cells into the soil, and that's a little pellet of carbon basically, and that carbon feeds the soil biology.